Hello friends, welcome back to Lydia's Plate. Today we're back in the garden and it is windy. I'm starting off with planting sweet potatoes, then moving on to tomatoes. We've heard somewhere that planting a sunflower together with the tomato is very helpful because you save space. The sunflower gives the tomato a sturdy stalk to vine up and it looks nice. We figured it couldn't hurt to try it. On another note, in order to save money, I reuse planting trays, planter cups, and if I don't have enough planter cups, I use styrofoam cups. They're cheap and they work just as well as the planter cups. Next are the cabbages, cauliflower, broccoli, and kohlrabi. I have not had kohlrabi since I was a kid, but I remember that I liked it and it was a great snack in the middle of the afternoon. I have heard or read somewhere that it can also be used in a pinch in place of radishes in a salad or to replace cabbage in coleslaw. We'll see about that. Now we're planting peppers. The rain was very close, so we were hurrying as fast as we could. We still have celery inside because it didn't look big enough or strong enough to go outside yet. We also have a few tomatoes left that we weren't sure if we'd have room for in the garden. And my mom had an extra tray of onions, so I need to get those planted as well. We also still have a planter with some onions in it sitting on the deck. Plus, I picked up pea seeds finally, so I can finish planting my pea fence full. Our other peas are up already, but I'm not worried about it. They're still pretty small. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, and always be sure to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss when we post a new video. Bye!